In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide all grids in Figma, a handy trick that will streamline your design process and declutter your workspace. Whether you're working on a complex design or you're just starting out, knowing how to manage your guides efficiently can make a world of difference. So let's dive right in and get those grids out of the way. First, let's head over to Figma, the fantastic collaborative interface design tool. You'll want to open up your browser and navigate to the Figma website. If you're not logged in already, click on the login button to access your account. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the Figma homepage. This is where all your projects and design files are housed, giving you quick access to everything you're working on. Now from the homepage, you'll want to select the design file where you wish to manage your grids. Click on the design option to open your workspace. Once you are in the design interface, you'll notice a multitude of options at the top of your screen. This is your main control panel. To proceed, locate and click on the main menu, which you'll find in the upper left corner of the screen. This menu is your gateway to a myriad of Figma features. From here, a drop down will appear, giving you access to various tools and settings that can enhance and customize your design experience. Next, direct your attention to the View option in the drop down menu. When you click on View, you're essentially opening another list of options geared toward manipulating how you see your design files. This can be incredibly useful for changing perspectives, zoom levels, and crucially adjusting guide settings. In this list, you'll find the option to toggle layout guides. Click on layout guides to hide all the grid lines in your current design file. This will instantly clear up your view, allowing you to focus more on the elements of your design without the distraction of grids. And there you have it. Hiding grids in Figma can really help maintain a neat and organized workspace, especially useful when you're presenting your work to clients or team members. This simple adjustment can make a huge difference in how effectively you interact with your design files. Remember, you can always toggle the grids back on if you need them for alignment or spacing checks. Having the flexibility to show or hide grids quickly is one of the many advantages Figma offers to streamline your workflow. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and you're now more comfortable navigating and customizing your Figma design space. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Figma tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy designing.